All right, guys, in this video, we are going to get into how to buy Bitcoin strategically with this free money that I just received. And this is going to help me pay off this loan earlier and cash out and walk away with extra Bitcoin by the time this is all over. Let's get into it. All right, guys, in this episode, we are going to do some more buy orders for Bitcoin. So I did transfer the 4750 over to my Coinbase account. And the reason, again, I did not purchase just $5,000 in Bitcoin and let it ride is because we are still in a downtrend. And as long as this downtrend continues, I don't plan on going all in. So the thing that I wanted to do in this video is to kind of give you guys a strategy of how I put my buy orders in, because a lot of people sell when they see the red candles, but we're talking about Bitcoin here, guys. We're talking about an asset that will eventually recover and reach higher highs. So I am always looking to purchase more Bitcoin on dips, and I don't mind holding Bitcoin if I buy it at $100,000 and the price comes down. I am still buying. So I'm doing the same thing with this free money that I got. And in this video, the question is, how low am I wanting to go with this $5,000 that I'm allocating to Bitcoin? Okay, so we see that there's a continuous downtrend. Now, if there is a point where the price closes above this trend line, that point of resistance, and stays above it or starts going upward, I might just go cancel my buy orders and just buy all of the Bitcoin at that, or use all of my $5,000 what's remaining to purchase Bitcoin. But I don't see that happening anytime soon. So I am going to enjoy the wave going down. And the question is, how low do I want to go? Well, as I look across this, we see we have an area of support around the $72,000 range, but I am actually going back a little bit further to the highs of the previous cycle, which is about 69,000, and that's kind of where I'm comfortable taking my buy orders for this particular $5,000 investment down to. Okay, so in order to determine how I'm going to put my buy orders out there, trading Bitcoin, I typically like to put in buy orders when the price drops every $500 or so. Okay, so what I'm going to do is get my calendar, and I started some buy orders at about 83,000. So let's say 83,000, and I want to price my orders down to 69,000. So I'm going to subtract 69,000. So that's a range of $14,000. Well, if I want to put in a buy order every $500 drop, I'm going to divide that by 500. So that gives me 28 orders that I can place. Okay, so now the question is, how much am I going to put per order? So if I have $5,000, or let's say 4750 remaining, and I divide it by that 28, that lets me know that each order that I put out there can be about $170. Okay, so that's kind of how I calculate my range. And for this particular campaign I'm running here, that's what I'll be doing. But instead of using 170, I'll probably just do 150 or something like that to have a little extra leeway, and possibly buy if the price drops even below 69. Right now, the good thing is I've already started putting in all of my buy orders, so you guys don't have to sit around and watch me do that. But so here they are here. Yeah, I think it did trigger at 83,000, but then you got 82, 82.5, 81, 80, 81.5, 81, all the way down. Groups of $500 less, and it's down to 69. And I still have $391 left. So let me go ahead and finish those buy orders just so you guys can see how I'm doing it. So I have that amount. So at this point, what do I have? The last one I did was six. I don't like Coinbase. 69,000. So I'm gonna put another one in at 68,500. I'm gonna buy $150 worth. I'm gonna put that buy order in, and you guys should see that comes down there. And then I'm gonna do another one at 68,000 because I have $241 left. So there's 68,000. I'm gonna do $150 worth. All right, and I only have $91 left. Well, what the hey, I'll just do 85,500. 85,500, and I'll just do the remaining $91.58. And now I have all of my buy orders allocated. Can I not get that in? I'll probably charge a fee. All right, so those are all of my buy orders. Did that one come in? What did I just put that in for? I don't even know. 85.5. I'm sorry. 69, 68.5, 68. And what did I just do there, guys? Let me see. Field orders. Oh yeah, I did 80 something instead of the 68. All right, but that can happen when you speed, right? But anyway, I'm not mad at buying some Bitcoin at $82,009, and I bought that at $87.30. Now that we're here, guys, these are my field orders. So let me go ahead and update my Excel file with this information. So I did log that $9.99 that I purchased, and here we're going to go ahead and log this one. So I purchased it at 83,000. And let me do this, copy, paste that there. This right here is the amount of Bitcoin that I purchased. That there. And then I bought that for $148.20. And I paid a fee of 89 cents. Okay. That's that 83,000, and then this one here that I just triggered. And let's see what that comes to. All right, I purchased 0.00104 Bitcoin at a price of 86.26 and a fee of $1.04. Okay. All right, so there we go, guys. And notice again, even though I purchased this at 82,943, when you add in the fees, that comes up to like purchasing it at 83.9. So we are good to go with this particular campaign. This is all I'm going to display in the video. I just wanted to show you guys that had questions on how I put in my buy orders and how I'm comfortable just sitting back, relaxing, and buying the dip. This, guys, is actually what we should all be doing. So remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose, but never invest more than you need. Always keep your home assets, whatever you need, income to cover your house, mortgage, utility bills, food, all that stuff. Make sure you already have that. But anything you have extra, if you will put it in Bitcoin, hold it for a while, it's going to pay off for you big time. All right. In the next video, we are going to get into taking some of these positions that we have in Bitcoin that's sitting on Coinbase and start transferring that to a wallet to where we can begin using our Bitcoin to generate even more Bitcoin. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll holler on the next video. Peace out.